Ready to navigate the world of RV supplies? Today, here at Mojo Reviews, diving into the pros and cons of purchasing from eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Walmart, and Camping World. So, first up, let's talk about eBay, a virtual treasure chest for RVers. From brand new to pre-loved, eBay boasts an impressive array of RV parts and accessories. But buyer beware, make sure to check out a seller's feedback rating and always read reviews before hitting that Buy Now button. The best deal on eBay? Used RV appliances and parts. The worst? Electronics and items with hefty shipping fees. Next, we have Etsy, the home of all things handmade and unique. It's a great spot if you're looking to add a personal touch to your RV. But remember, prices can swing dramatically, so always compare and check reviews. The best buy on Etsy? Customized RV decor and accessories. The worst? Some sellers are just repackaging mass-produced items that can be found cheaper elsewhere. Moving on to Amazon, the retail giant has a vast selection of RV supplies. From basic necessities to cutting-edge tech, Amazon's got it. But don't forget to keep an eye on third-party sellers, sneaky shipping costs, and always check reviews. The best buy on Amazon? RV essentials like leveling blocks, hoses, and water filters. The worst? Generic RV parts that may not be a match for your RV. Walmart, the convenient choice for quick, last-minute RV supplies. But remember, prices can vary, and the selection may be limited compared to specialty stores. The best buy at Walmart? Basic RV maintenance supplies like oil and filters. Toilet paper, etc. The worst? Specialized RV parts or accessories that can be found cheaper elsewhere. Finally, we have Camping World, a favorite among RVers. It is known for offers a wide range of RV supplies and accessories, in stock right on the shelf. However, prices can be steep, so you're going to pay for that unlimited instant gratification. If you don't need it now, it's probably worth it to shop around. The best buy at Camping World: RV-specific items like awnings, solar panels, and towing accessories. The worst? Generic camping gear that can be found cheaper at other retailers. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to finding the best deals on RV supplies. Whether you're stocking up on essentials or personalizing your home on wheels, we at Mojo Reviews hope these tips steer you towards the best deals. Please give us a like and subscribe for more RV tips and tricks. Happy shopping and safe travels.